All right, it is plugged in. It may, in theory, come on, so don't put your hands anywhere stupid. I got a blender that, assuming this outlet is good, which I haven't verified yet, isn't working. So we are connected in there. Here's a really good video when you're not making good contact with your brushes and the surface area of your commutator is shot. This is what you get. Gotta try and resurface that. I don't know that there's much left to deal with, but we'll try. Alright, so the in-house guys, so we ground this motor as best we could, and it's still clean the commutator, and it still wasn't firing up. They said that the in-house guys checked to make sure the brushes were good. That's the brush I just pulled out of it. Think the brushes are good? If I just believed them, I'd condemn this motor and we'd order a $500 motor instead of $50 brushes. There you have it.